Good morning, people. Got the coffee brewing, got the crew.
My name's not Drew, but today it's Blue.
Oh! It is blue. It's a full bluebird outside. We saw sunrise actually on Mount Adams and Hood Mountain or Mount Hood. And it's gonna be insane. It says they got like 7 inches of fresh up there.
It's like 7:30 and we gotta wait for Caden anyway, but hopefully he's here sooner than later.
Yep, trying to leave by 8.
Leaving
40.
by 8 would be smart.
Or by 8.
8.
Oh, by 8. 30 minutes.
It's a freaking beautiful day. My mom says it's really cold up there, so dress warm, everybody. Okay. 17 degrees.
That's what it just says, but it'll warm up.
It's pretty dang cold, but that means it's cold smoke snow. Okay, Mom. Meh.
It's pretty funny. I can't really talk to my mom anymore without doing a weird voice like that.
Whoa. Thank you, Elaine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, she's frozen shut. Good morning, Lynn. How nuts is this day?
I miss you.
Oh.
I've been waiting for this day to go skiing.
Oh my God, dude! It's nuts.
This is about to be the most mental day ever.
Well, I don't really need to say much. You can see the conditions for yourself. Unbelievable bluebird. And we are amping on another level today. We're just gonna get our stuff together and just get up there as fast as we can. So I will see you on the mountain. First ride up, day 4, unbelievable conditions. Bluebird behind us, POW beneath us. Dude, how does it get any better than this, man?
Running towards or running from, I'm not sure, just know I'm going to anywhere that isn't here. You're telling me how far, I'm wasting my time, but I've been on some high, spending up my life on people, places, things, busy discovering, but I can't ever seem to answer all my needs. I think I gotta keep chasing what I seek. Watch me flee. I'm not bored, just trying to be anywhere that isn't here. Keep telling me how far, I'm wasting my time. But I'm still on some high, spending up my life on people, places, things, busy discovering, but I can't ever seem to answer all my needs.
Couple of runs under the belt. Just saw my Uncle Royce in line again, so I'm gonna wait for him here at the top of the lift. We're heading over to a new lift that's gonna open soon, supposedly. and should get us into some fresh stuff. So getting psyched up, having a good ass time, man. Bluebird, nothing but sky. There he is. Crew went over to Heather.
Okay, I was thinking they might be just dropping the ropes.
Yep, I think it's ready.
Spending up my life on people, places, things, busy discovering, but I can't ever seem to answer all my needs. I think I gotta keep chasing what I seek, but I've been so exhausted. Charge my car, don't share the cost. It's hard to feel you're moving a little too fast when you got nothing to do. On some heart, spending up my life on people, places, things, busy discovering, but I can't ever seem to answer all my needs. I think I gotta keep chasing what I seek, but I've been so exhausted. Charge my car, don't check the cost. It's hard to feel you're moving a little too fast when you got no reference to you.
Just found grease, dude. Yeah, we're scoring. So epic. He skinned up before it was light.
Well,
was
there
it
was light, but the lights
light?
weren't open.
Oh, you came up early and scored with your dad?
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
so sick, dude.
Oh man.
I would love to do that one of these days. I gotta get a skinning set up though.
Yeah.
I only have a downhill.
Except my legs are burning now. It's only halfway through the day.
Nice to meet you, it's the sequel. Already been here, so we don't need no redo. Nice to meet you, and my seat too. Because you know my thoughts before I can say it's you. I can say it's you. Before I can say it's you. When I woke up, I had so many worries, but now they're all gone. But now they're all gone. When I woke up, I had so many worries, but now they're all gone. But now they're all gone.
That was so sick, dude. It's still Bluebird and it's the end of the day. My legs are cooked though. I was cramping at the end. I didn't get to ski with the boys that much, but I got to ski with my uncle, which is epic. How'd you guys go?
We had an epic day. We had powder in the morning, and then it got a little soft, and we had some good jump lines, and it was awesome. All the boys. It was fun.
That's so sick. Jackson, how was your sesh, dude?
Oh, all time, dude. You can never go wrong on a Bluebird powder day. It was sick. I didn't land as many tricks as we were landing the other night, but got a few clips I'm pretty psyched on. So, good times with the boys. Yo!
Girls, how'd you do? Lean? Fart noises. Don't put us in there.
Mia just will laugh and then look away.
That was a sick interview if I've ever seen one.
On some heart, spending up my life on people, places, things, busy